Hello guys, welcome to the HTML crash course for beginners. In this video, we will learn about the HTML address element. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel mods.dev. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's get started. The HTML address element is used to define contact information for the author or owner of a document or an article. It typically contains information such as a physical address, email address, phone number, or other contact details. So I'll just go ahead and use the address tag to define an address for you to see. So in order to define an address, we use the HTML address tag, and then in between the opening tag, you put in your address details. So I'll just go ahead and write a fake address right now for you to see quickly. Let me do this quickly. It's a fake address. Visit us on. Then I'll just put a line break here, not this. I'll put a line break. Then I'll just put 123 Main Street. Another BR or line break. Then the name, I'll just say LA as the name of my city. 123 as my zip code. Then another line break. Then the country is US. Then another paragraph. I'll say contact. Just put an email here quickly. So I'll wrap the email in an anchor tag. So I'll just say john@gmail.com. So in the href here, we can put the link to the email address, but I'll not do that. So I'll just save this. So when I save this, let me zoom in. You see that our address has been displayed nicely in the browser for us. So this is how we can use the HTML address element to lay out an address in a website. That's all for this video. If you have any question, put them in the comment section for discussion. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.